Hey everybody, my name is Paul Akilusi. So I want to explain today how to set up a network booster with 4 indoor units. So from what you can see here, these are the indoor units. Let me bring them out. So these 2, these 3, and this is the 4th one. So normally, this is expected to be removed like this. You put it inside the roof and you tie it up and you screw it like this. So your roof will pin here and here. So this can face down. So these 4 antennas you can see are called indoor antenna. So this is the outdoor antenna. So to set up the outdoor antenna, someone should bring a screwdriver for me now. Bring screwdriver. So I'm setting up the outdoor antenna. So this, you make it to face like this, other way around. Inside this nylon, there are screws there. So we have some of our previous video where we did 1, 2, but today I'm doing 4. I'm teaching you guys how to install 4 together. So this like this. Oh yeah, I'll go and settle down with them. No, do transfer. Pause the video. You are meant to use you put your bring it. This is meant to be tied like this. So this, it must be perpendicular. Someone should give me 10 spanner. Bring your 10 spanner out. So this must be perpendicular. So we call this type of antenna sectoral antenna. So 10 spanner, I'll use it to tie it up. Tie it up like this. 6. So the next thing now is we need a cable that will go from here to our repeater station. This is the repeater station. So this is the repeater station. Who is with a black tape here? Bring your black tape. Now, the length. Let's just measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nine, 10. So let me use the plier to cut it. Oh, okay, Peter. So the next thing I will do now, you unscrew this. We call this FMA to RF connector. You just key it inside like this. Yeah, just key it inside like this. Yeah, you use your tape. This red tape. Tape it like this. Then you connect this back. So I've made the terminal now. You make sure that it's firm. Can you see it's firm? I'll tie this one to here. That's one side on the outside. The other end of the cable, note that there must not be any joining on your cable. The other end here, I'll cut it like this. You see, you must cut it in such a way that there is the two wires, both the trend one and the core one, they must not touch each other. Then you put this one, push it inside very well. Yes, I'll put it. Take your tape again. I'm going like this. So this will be connected to your BTS because this outdoor is facing your BTS station. So I'll connect this to where they wrote BTS. Yeah, BTS. This mobile station, this BTS stands for base trans receiver station. So sometimes you will see mobile and you will see base station. It's still the same thing. So this is a 3G, 4G, 5G repeater R device. So here now, I'll connect. This one is called SMA to RF male to male connector. I'll put it here. I'll put it here like this. Can you see? It's very, very, very firm. Make sure that it's very, very firm. This is what we call SMA to RF splitter, and this is a 4-way splitter. It has a band of 800 to 2,500 megahertz. I'll put it like this. Keyed now. So each of your indoor now, we have already one red media. Put it here. Connected. This is just for illustration purpose. The first one will be connected here. The moment you notice that in the building you need more than 4 indoor, what I told you guys, I said you must get another what? Network booster. The moment you use more than 4 indoor, you need more than 4 indoor. This one. And this indoor, according to what's written on it, and based on what I've tried, it can still carry you up to 5 meters radius. A radius of 5 meters. So the second one now, I'm connecting the second one like this. So I want to make a cable for the third one. To the third one. So let me from this cable now. Yeah. So get original coaxial cable, or you can use what RJ22, sorry, RJ11 cable. Whether you go for original coaxial cable or RJ11 cable, 1, 2, 3. This is how we measure in our area. 4. For those that are outside Nigeria, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let me call this in here. That's average of 10 lengths. So I've done 2. Remaining how many now? 2. So you first untie this like this. There are 2. You have your RF connector, sorry, the F connector and the SMA connector. So I will now cut it. And note, we have 2 major types of SMA connector. We have the male and we have the female. The most commonly used one is the male. So you make sure you just push this one inside like this. This that we are connecting is an installation to be done in Owerri, either tomorrow or next tomorrow. This installation will be done in Owerri, either tomorrow or next tomorrow. So no matter the location where you are, you can purchase these devices from us and we build it to any of your location within and outside Nigeria. We have done installation, explain everything for someone that is in Benin Republic, Togo. Although the major problem I had with those from Togo, Benin Republic, and the Francophone speaking nations is that we have language barrier, but notwithstanding, you can still use Google Translate to talk with each other. So this, we conclude, we put it here like this. Can you see that? Very firm. You connect it to what? Here. Very firm. Although some of my installer normally advise that use black tape to tape the connector, but I don't see much reason for it. Can decide. Some will claim it will reduce losses alongside that part, but I've not been able to establish any fact to that claim. But if that's not convenient for you, you can do what you can use it. I make sure that the only thing I normally tell my guys is my installers is make sure that the wires are not touching each other. After you have done it like this, you check inside that no wires, the wire inside, can you see this core one and the strands are not touching each other. Please. And we don't only install network booster, we also do solar, inverter, CCTV, fence wire, Starlink installation, network booster, and the rest. So if you need any of those devices, you are just a call away from us. You can call us on +234 80 380 15711. If you're outside Nigeria, always remember to add the Nigerian country code, which is +234 80 380 15711. And if you are within Nigeria, call 080 380 15711. So it's remained the last one. So, and if you want to also have a training section, maybe you have a foundation, you have a political group, you want to train the youth on devices like this, you can also reach out to us. We have templates. Yes, sir. We have templates that we have in the past, and we always update our templates to accommodate new teaching methodology. I'm a certified NYC trainer. I have students from Osun State University coming around there. I just decided not to show their face in this video. Make sure that you push it inside very well, and you check inside that the wires are not touching each other. Like this. So I'm making provision for the last. That's it. And for the distance between the outdoor unit and your repeater must not be more than 20 meters. The distance between here and here must not be more than 20 meters. Please, if the distance is more than that, there will be attenuation, serious attenuation. That is, there will be signal loss before reaching that point. So, as I told you, you must make sure that all these wires are completely removed. So, I've connected the 4. I've connected 3. I'm connecting the last 4. Excuse me. Yeah, push it. So you don't need any configuration. All you just need is connect like this, and it's plug and play. But if you have done the installation and it's not working perfectly, you can also reach us to us. Please note, I don't offer free private section. I don't offer free private section. If you ask me questions on any of my platform on YouTube, Installer Paul, I can explain. But if you need a private section to understand it perfectly, I don't offer free private section. So I've connected all the 4 devices now. So I want to power it now. So this is the power supply. Plug it here. Yeah. Can you see? So from here you can see the energy 12 volts, 5 volts gain. Everything is working perfectly now. Everything is working perfectly. So if you need a system like this, you are just a call away from us. Call us on 080-380-15711. And if you're outside Nigeria, add the Nigeria country code. That's +234-80-380-15711. Thank you and stay blessed. Achilles Paul on Facebook, Achilles Paul on Instagram, Installer Paul 1 on TikTok, Installer Paul on YouTube.